Alright, so now we have the model ready for the 4 different ties that we want to produce monthly production. So data solver, okay. The set objective is that, and we want to maximize. Changing cells is these 4. Okay, the constraints, or let's do the contractual minimum first. So just that is greater than or equal to the contractual minimum. Add that, and the production must be less than or equal to the demand limit. So add that. Okay. And then the material used must be less than or equal to what is available. Okay. So that's it. So now make sure that non-negativity is checked. Simplex LP. Okay, we don't need to worry about options unless we want integer production here. Now, since this is a monthly production, non-integer values here is not a big problem, because non-integer values would simply mean that you, at the end of the month, you produce partial units. It will be like in work in process stage, and you'll finish up the following month. Okay, now solve. All right, so solver found a solution. So we have everything here. All right, so if you want sensitivity, we can select that. And I'm not going to, we've discussed sensitivity several times now, so I'll skip that part for now. So click OK. All right, so that's the profit. So now if you want slack or surplus, we can do that here. Slack. Absolute value of that minus that. Okay. And so that's binding. Okay, so we have one binding resource, silk is binding, but the other two are not binding. So here again you can see for the contractual minimum and the demand maximum, we have these 3 are at the demand. Okay, so the all silk is non-binding for both. Okay. For the other 3, the demand constraints are binding, the contractual minimum are not binding for any of them.